Hello everyone, welcome back to my studio. This is Charlotte and I am doing an Angel Dream Crafts Kim design team project, the first one for September, and stay tuned for the end of the video for a great surprise. This is what I came up with this time. Yep. I just decided that I wanted to cover a box, and so what I did is I took these little guys here, this one and this one. They are not glued in, so if I turn this and they slip out, that's why. I covered this with a sunflower looking fall cardstock, and also covered the sides, and I covered the top, and then I came back in with this. If you saw my presentation of the laces that came in my package, I've used all of this. I'm pretty positive I don't even have an inch of this left. It's gone. So I'm going to have to get more. I love this lace, but look at how pretty that is. And I can see right here I need to, oh no, that's normal. Okay, I thought maybe my paper was coming up. Oh, see, I lost one. Yep, I figured. So I wasn't positive I wanted to put them in, and so I put them in. I was kind of looking at them. I needed time to look before I anchored them in. So yeah, I went around the whole sides in the back with that beautiful, beautiful lace. And then I covered the top. This opens up, this dangles, and this lace dangles. So I'm not going to show you the inside. That's going to be the second part of my design team package. So you're only going to get this for now. I covered the top, the very top layer of the box is this beautiful, beautiful Venice lace here. And that's so pretty. I just had to go out on a limb and say, hey, you know, when you do layers, you're going to cover things up, and that is just the way that it is. So this box measures, let's see, it is a 9x6, I believe. Yes, a 9x6. And layers of beautiful laces from Kim's shop. So the first layer that I used was this beauty right here, and I know it's difficult to see, but it is there. It is the base layer, and you can get a little bit of a peekaboo of that lace, just a little bit right here, but it goes all the way across from one edge to the other, or I should say one side to the other. And then this lace here, this beautiful, beautiful pearl lace up at the top. And then I added this lace. This was from a prior month, and I do believe, if I'm looking, I don't think, if I have any of that lace left, I don't have much. So I might have just a little bit of it left, but I'm not sure. If I do, I don't have it on me to show you. But you've seen it before. Let me check. Oh, no, I do have a piece. Look at this. Satiny, glistening goodness. This is the only piece I have left, but isn't she pretty? So I put that all across the top. You can see it here and here. It kind of peeks out. And then I took prior laces apart, like you know I love to do. I cut them apart and used bits and pieces, and that's what you see. These flowers here. This is a little bit of lace right here, just a little snippet of lace. And then I went ahead and the lace that I got this month, remember I said this reminds me of mermaid scales? It is not that. Is it this? Yes, it is. It's a piece of this with the flowers. You can see the flowers right here. And I went ahead and had that come from here up here just so that you'd have the sequins. And then I went ahead and here is a flower and a leaf, and that is from this gorgeous trim. There's a piece of this is this. We talked about this. This is one of my favorites to use right here. That is here, but this is this lace right here. Right there like that. So what I did is I cut this flower off, and then I took this here. There's the flower, and then there's the other piece. And then right here, this also is this lace. So lots and lots of textures. See that? We have that here. Underneath here, this piece here that hangs down, this is from Kim's shop. This had inside of it netting with embroidered purple flowers. I cut the netting out and just used the outside doily piece, and the netting looked like this. So it looked kind of like a dresser, an old-timey dresser scarf. It was an oval. This was one end, and then you had the other end. This was in the center. I cut this out of the center. I will use that for something else, and had it so that it draped down. And then if you look, this drapes down from the lid. So when you open the lid, this is what drapes down. And this right here, these really pretty flowers are, it comes from this here. So what I did is I put this on like that and had that drape down. And then of course the other layers are on top of that. There's a bit of lace here that I had cut. I left these so that there'd be motion. You can see this right there. Hopefully you can see that. And that is the top part of this. And then I cut another one of those flowers out and put it here so that we'd have a little bit of that vintage look coming through. And then what I did is I took a brown grosgrain bow, and I layered that with some felt leaves and some silk leaves and just some fall ephemera that I had, and went ahead and I had an acorn. I had this piece of zucchini squash. I nestled some of this trim in here, and these three gorgeous roses are from Kim's shop. Also, this piece here that I made like a butterfly came from Yardage. This is the last piece that I had. I think I've had this for maybe 2 or 3 months, and I've seen Roxy do Roxy Fiber Art cut this or something very similar and then make a butterfly. So that's what I did. I simply cut around this flower and put it on here like a butterfly, and added 2 of the jewels that come off of these artificial flowers. So this is my make, and yeah, I just think she's a great representation of laces that are in Kim's shop, as well as the the florals. And as I look at this, I wonder if I should add any of the beautiful, beautiful ephemera that I've gotten from Kim. I may do that. Let's just look and see what I have. So lots of bows. I've got some really, really cute. Remember these? How absolutely gorgeous these are. I don't know that that is really lends itself. I've gotten buttons from Kim's shop, these wooden buttons. I picked these up quite a while ago. I've had them around, but not quite. But I might just look through some of the, ooh, I kind of like that. I got that this time. And I got some, do you remember these clocks? Let's see. Let's just have a look. Here's a bird cage in a clock. Kim has the most beautiful, ooh, there's a welcome. That's really pretty. We might just add that. I'm gonna have to do it off camera because I will use a hot glue gun to add that, I think. Let's check it out. I'm not going to let you see what's going on inside. You have to be patient and wait for that. Oh, isn't that pretty? Ooh, guys, let's add that. I think that would really just be stunning. Do I want it there? Do I want it on the ribbon? Let me see. I have to hold it up. I think I do. Let's put it right there. Let's try this with some Fabri-Tac. Beautiful. Make sure that you hop over to Kim's shop and see what's going on. And I am going to leave a list of the designers for Kim in the description box. You want to make sure, oh my goodness, guys, you can get some fabulous ideas by looking at what they've done. So let's place this, ooh, right here. I think so. Right there. Let me hold it up so that I can see. Oh, yes. It needed that. This is my make, and now for the news. This is my September giveaway, is this box. Yep, this is it, a fall box. Isn't that pretty? I mean, you could keep anything in this box. Ephemera, buttons, tools, whatever. Opens like this, and like I said, I'm not going to reveal the inside yet, because that is, stay tuned, to be continued. But look at that. Oh, yep. She is a beauty. Thank you so much, Kim, for the gorgeous, gorgeous trims, the gorgeous ephemera, the beautiful, beautiful lace. Thank you to all of my subscribers. Now, what do you have to do to win this gorgeous box with these laces from Kim's shop? Well, you have to be a subscriber. That's a must. And you need to send me something with the theme of fall. It can be anything. It can be store-bought. It can be handmade. It can be as simple as a card or a tag. Anything. Whatever it is that kind of says, this is me and this is what I like to do. That's what I want. My address will be down below in the description box. Now, I will need this by, and I didn't want I didn't want that in the calendar in the, in the video, so I moved it. Okay, the 30th is a Saturday. It is the last day of the month. I will be doing a show of what was sent on the 29th. So I will need whatever you're sending by the 28th. So I know there were a couple people that were late last month, and we went ahead and we put their things in with this month. So they will not be in the fall theme, and that's totally fine. So everything needs to be to me by September 28th. I will open everything on the 29th, and we will give away this gorgeous box on the 30th. So guys, that is really it. I just look at this and I just see so many beautiful laces and so many memories, and I think this is a perfect giveaway for fall. It lends itself to fall in the colors and the fact that you've got some dried fruit here and some fall leaves, felted leaves. You've got a brown one here and an acorn, and then you've got a red leaf there, but also with Kim's gorgeous roses. These are satin roses, and they have netting, and then the pearls. It lends itself, I think, it can be year-round. It really is a showstopper. I had a lot of fun creating this box. Glad we thought of this because this really makes it, adds to it. So I hope that you truly enjoyed seeing what I have for you, and that you'll want to join in the fun. And I will then catch you in the next one. Take care, everybody. Thank you so much. Bye.